Another unboxing, and today I have some disposable masks, some trim for my dog, noise cancelling, and the pack of Thomas, Percy, James and Gordon. This metallic set is available in Amazon, and I don't know if other stores carry this. So here's the back of the box. Nice. And anyways, I want to see how this thing looks. Let's cut the tape on this side so we can access to the engines. Cool. Excellent. Looking good. Looking good. Now let's get rid of the package. There we go. Okay, first and quick impressions. We have Thomas, golden Thomas. Metallic. Is it metallic or golden? I don't know. But here's the first engine with cargo. Here's the back. Blah blah blah. And golden cargo. Okay, enough of Thomas. Let's continue with the next engine. I have here a James, the brightest red engine on solder. That's the James. Looking good. Not bad. Really good. Actually. Okay, the next engine, it's the Percy and the mail car. Very bright reflective material or paint. And the last one is Gordon on this package. Really nice engine. So this is a good addition for anyone who collects these engines. So before we continue, let me tell you, I am not fan of Trackmaster 2 or Trackmaster Revolution unless I make a profit. But anyways, so if you notice, I have a lot of Trackmaster 2. It's because those I get them on a bundle with the Trackmaster ones or Plarail. Now let's begin with the Thomas, the tank engine. It looks like it's a chrome paint or metallic paint, or I might say also it looked to me like tin foil transfer. I used to see those tin foil transfers on cricut parts or material, because I see there, right there, if you can see very closely, there is a line. Looks like they put a piece of tin foil on this and then another piece over here, but I might be wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong, because it looks to me like it's a kind of tin foil. But anyways, so we have Thomas the tank engine, looking good, and it comes with the this cargo. It looks rock like gold, or I don't know what it is, but anyways, as you remember, on this wagon, I do not like the wheels. These make a lot of noise instead of the normal wheels. Listen to this. That's really noisy. Now check the difference. But anyways, so that's why I don't like the groove or gear mode of these engines. Now the next engine is Percy. It's also in chrome or metallic or tin foil. I don't know. You let me know. I don't know if the others have the same, but I think it's like looks to me like it was a flat area, and I mean tin foil folded that way and cut it right in there. The other part was in here. Yeah, it looks like that was the way they did it. I don't know what to say, but anyways, so we have metallic green or candy color, chrome color Percy. Let me know in the comments, because I have no idea what to think. Is it metallic? Is it chrome, or is it tin foil or something? Well, now this one is different. Now this is definitely like a paint. It looks like the one the same paint I painted a long time ago. Diesel, I think I paint diesel, and probably one Toby. it looks the same. This is definitely paint. Now these metallic models, I remember read a comment that if you put your fingernail like that and just scratch it, it's gonna stay forever. So I'm not gonna play with that. So that is Percy. Now this is the one, I really like it. We already seen Percy and Thomas, but I haven't seen James. So maybe there's another James. Oh yes, there's one James. But now this particular model, it looks like chrome here, and this one definitely the tender, it's candy color, red candy. Yes, I have seen these red candies on some plastics, and it looks really good, close to chrome, but definitely is not chrome. The tender, it's candy color, and this one reflects more than the tender. See the difference? Probably you can notice right there. Yep, this is chrome and this is candy color. It is not the same. But anyways, the best part for me is Gordon. Yeah, I remember this one. It's in another, I think it's 70 anniversary or something. Anyways, but Gordon, here is Gordon. What is this? Imperfection from the machine or whatever, I don't know. But anyways, Gordon, metallic Gordon, chrome Gordon, whatever you want to call it. It looks really nice. I know there are several videos uploaded already, but I do have the opportunity to have these models in hand. Now let me tell you, these models will increase in price during the Christmas season, so probably you're gonna find this for $45 free shipping from Amazon, and at the time I am uploading this video. And the next after that, you're probably gonna look at $60 or $80 for the pack. Now I don't like these wheels. I mean, the round wheels are better, less noisy than this other. See this? When you run in the tracks, it makes a lot of noise. This one doesn't. Still, Gordon gonna make a lot of noise. Now I put all the batteries already on this. I don't like that noise, but anyways, so let's test run. Now Thomas looks kind of slow. Let me show you guys. Let's put Percy behind Thomas, so you'll see that Percy runs faster than Thomas. Probably I got that defective engine, I don't know. And I'm gonna put James. See? So definitely Thomas is very slow engine. And then we have Percy. I think Percy has the same, no. Actually James is a little faster. James is a little faster than Percy. And Gordon is faster than James in the pack I got. So not all the packs are the same, but they look fine. Shiny engines. Oh, too slow. So definitely the golden or chrome golden yellow Thomas is very slow for the pack. The pack I got is very slow. Percy is a little bit faster, and then James and Gordon have the same top speed, a little faster than these two models. Probably it's the one I got that was defective, or probably something it's making it run too slow. You know what I'm thinking now? It could be the wheels, the groove wheels, that makes them slow, or the engine. Yes, because James and Gordon do have a nice round circle wheels. I don't know what's the right term for that, but anyways guys, I definitely recommend you to buy this set, but be very careful, don't scratch them, because if you do scratch your engine, that set, you're gonna hate your models.